Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have an Ipsy unbagging for you. Like I said in my previous video, I've been getting this for over 2 years now, so I love just sending this to myself every month. It's 10 bucks. This isn't sponsored, but it is a really cool way to get to try out new products and see if any of them work for you and if you want to buy the full size. So I will go through the products one by one and maybe insert some clips of me trying them on. And I'll also have in the description box down below how much they cost for the full size. So let's jump in. So this month's bag is like a blue mesh, and then there's a neon green and pink stripe. So it's kind of got like an 80s vibe to it. It's not my personal style, but it is, I mean, it's cute. Just very neon. It has little shoelaces as the ties. And it feels like squishy, like the material, it's hard to explain. The first item in my bag is this liquid lip from NYX, however you prefer to say it. This is in the shade Satin Ribbon. It looks like a really nice nude, maybe on the brown side. Zoe, Christ. It does have a rounded applicator. See if I can get it in focus. I find it a little bit hard to apply into kind of the peaks of your lips, but let's see a swatch here. So there is the color on my hand. It looks like a really nice nude shade. I'm just going to try it on now since I'm wearing pretty much a nude shade anyway, so I'm gonna go wipe it off and try it out. Okay, so on my lips, it is a lot more flesh color than like on my hand. It looks a little more berry. And on my lips, it's looking very flesh colored. So I don't really like when nudes match my skin tone too much. I like when they have a little bit of a berry undertone or a mauve. The skin color to me just looks like I put on foundation over my lips and forgot to do a lipstick. As far as application, it wasn't as hard as I thought to get into some of the corners with the rounded applicator, but it did take 2 coats to get it completely opaque, and it is drying down matte, and it looks like it's kiss proof. All right, next up from Ciate, we have this Fierce Flicks felt tip pen eyeliner, and it comes in cute packaging. It's super sleek black with foil silver writing. There is the swatch, and it did dry down completely matte, so this is a matte black eyeliner. Sometimes when they're matte they end up looking a little bit gray, but it looks like this is staying pretty true to the black color, so we will see how it performs on our eyes. Next up we have this Purlisse Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. This says it is good for all skin types and especially for sensitive skin. I have tried a few of the other Purlisse items and I have really loved, I love their BB cream foundation, and in my last Ipsy bag they sent me Purlisse face masks. You can click on my last video if you want to see how that turned out. I tried them on and I love them. It was great. So I really like their products. I've had good luck with it, and so I'm excited to try this exfoliant. And it says the benefits are Blue Lotus extract is a powerful antioxidant, white clay purifies pores, bamboo gently exfoliates, ginger detoxifies, mushroom brightens skin, white tea smooths skin, and rice bran water promotes clarity. It says you can do this up to 2 to 3 times a week. So especially in these winter months where your skin's a lot drier and more irritated, this would be good to help get some of that dead skin off. Next we have a CC cream from Caviar. It says it's the 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in hair perfector. So you're supposed to apply this to clean towel-dried hair and then style as desired. And it says it can also be added at the end after your hair is dry as a finishing for perfection. I have not heard of this brand, but I am excited to try this. And last but not least, we have a contour palette from City Color. So I know City Color is an extremely affordable brand. I have not tried many of their items, just what I've gotten in my Ipsy bag, and I've been pleasantly surprised with them. So this is the highlight, bronzer, and contour. So on the texture, they do feel super creamy. They feel really nice. There are the 3 on my fingers. And this highlight looks like it is really white. Let's try it out. Okay. Warning! Sometimes in contour palettes, the highlight is meant to go under your eyes, on the, in the middle of your forehead, your chin, and it's supposed to just brighten. This has shimmer to it, so it looks like it's supposed to be used just like on the top of your cheekbone where your highlight goes, not under your eyes to brighten. So now that I have a nice bright iridescent under eye, we'll see the bronzing. So you can see on my face there, they are extremely pigmented. Let's see how well they blend in. So they blend pretty easily, but it also seems like it kind of just went away. Not sure about these yet. And they are cool tones, so it won't give you that super warm bronzy look. Not sure about this, but I will give it a try in full application. All right, that is it for today's video. So just for a final quick run through of the products, again, I got the NYX liquid lipstick, I got the Ciate felt tip liquid liner, the Purlisse exfoliant and mud mask, the Caviar CC cream, and the City Color contour palette. So again, I love getting my Ipsy every month, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll keep recording them. Oh, and I mentioned in the last video that I was going to subscribe to the Macy's box and kind of compare them. I swear I subscribed, but I did not get an email or a Macy's box or anything, so I have to look into that one more, but maybe I'll have that next month for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. Do you want to see what I got in Ipsy? Yes, you like that one? No. What about this one? You like this one? Get approved.